This is literally all you have to do so you can make this work. Copy an image from this website here, paste it onto this website here, and get paid. Since there's no limit to the amount of money you can earn, you can repeat this same process over and over again and literally earn thousands of dollars in the process. It's literally as easy as that. If you are a complete beginner or the amount of experience you have with making money online is small, then this is the perfect video for you. Today, I will explain to you how you can make this work and get paid again and again with no skills required, almost no hard work involved, and without needing any equipment like a camera or a microphone, for example. So if you want to make this work, then be sure you stay tuned. With that said, if some of you are interested in more than one single method to make money online and you want to make more money and maximize your results, also no matter your skill level, then you might just be interested in a software that you can see right now. To access it, just click on that first link down in the description. Through the use of the aforementioned software, you can make big money online without doing any work whatsoever, so be sure to check that out. With all of that said and done, let's now finally get into the video. As you have all heard, today I have a very beginner-friendly strategy to share with you. Some strategies I share on my videos might be a bit too complex for some of you. This one, however, is the exact opposite. It's so easy, simple, and pretty straightforward. That being said, don't skip ahead because that won't get you anywhere. You need to know exactly what you have to do, and if you skip ahead, you just won't. You'll just go to the platforms I will show you and you won't know what to do, and in the end, you won't make any money. So please guys, be patient and keep watching this video through to the end. Anyways, the very first platform I need you to go over to today that we will be using is this one here called Crello.com. Immediately when you come onto this site, you'll see it says, "Design it your own way." So it doesn't take too long to figure out what this website is. It's a place where you can come and design a variety of things. You've got Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, and so much more. The really great thing about this platform is that they offer templates for you to use. So whatever you design, you don't have to do it from scratch. Your designing will instead be merely customizing a template that is already designed. And this is very important because it means that you don't need any design skills to make this work if you're just customizing templates. And you will all see soon just how simple it all is. Furthermore, apart from the fact that they make designing very easy, another fantastic feature of this site that is quite important as well is that it is free. They do offer some pricing plans definitely, but you only need to pay the website if you want to use some specific templates. For using the vast majority of them, I'd say 70 to 80%, you don't have to pay them at all, and that is really amazing to say the least. Anyhow, what I need you to do is sign up to the website. All you have to do is click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. On the next page, you can see that you can sign up via Google, Facebook, Apple, and Vistaprint, which is much faster and you can get it done with a click of a button. Or if you don't want to do that, then just type in your email in this box here, your password just below, and click on the sign up button here to create your new account. Once you log into your new Crello account, this is what you'll now come across. You can now design a bunch of things on this website, and for free, which is the truly awesome part as I mentioned before. What you will want to design on this website in particular, you will see later on with the first platform. What I now want to show you is how designing itself actually works. The first thing you will do is select a category. To do that, you can either type in what you want in the search bar here, or you can click on Templates here, and then on the next page, choose a category on the left-hand side. Now, one of the things you will want to design with this site so you can make money is logos, so I will run with that example. All I had to do was type in logo in the search bar here, and now I can see all of these designs I can choose from. And just take a look at how professional all of these are. Even though I get them for basically free, they all look fantastic, as if I had paid someone to create them for me. From here, to customize one design in particular, all you have to do, guys, is click on it, and you'll be taken over to the editor. And there's no shortage of things you can do in the editor. You can change virtually anything. The font of the text, the size and the color. You can change what's actually written if you so wish. All you have to do to change the text here is double-click on it, as you can see. You can also add in different icons and objects in your soon-to-be logo design. All I need to do is click on Objects on the left-hand side, and depending on what my customer wants, I will go ahead and pick any one of these. Another thing you can also customize is the background. If I want a different background, I can just click on Background on the left-hand side and pick from any one of these. And as you can see, there is an infinite number of options. In case you decide you don't like this design in particular, you don't have to go back to the page and choose another one. You can instead choose one from the editor, a good feature I think most of you will like. Long story short, you can change almost everything by using Crello's editor. And as I said before, the designing aspect is merely customizing a done-for-you design, one that you didn't even have to pay for. This is what makes Crello the perfect website for us. Since you don't need any design skills to use it, this means you can design things that you can get paid for big time online. And just as important is the fact that it takes you literally minutes to design something that people normally would have to invest hours into. And so now is the time for me to show you a site you can use to get paid for that design. Here is the website in question. It's called 99designs.com. As the name of this platform suggests, on here you can come and work as a designer, what we are interested in. But you can also pay someone to design something for you as well. What you can design on this site and also pay someone to design, you can see once you scroll down to the bottom of the page. We have logo design, what I just used as an example. Apart from that, though, we have business card design, web page design, and so much more. To see all of the categories, just click on Browse All Categories here. On this page, you will now be able to see all of the things they will pay you to design. And keep in mind that some you will not be able to design with Crello, but you will be able to design the vast majority of them, and also the ones that pay the most, including logo design, business card design, book covers, postcards, and more. To start working as a designer on this site, all you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you want to click on Become a Designer here. On the following page, you just have to click on Apply Now so you can apply to work as a designer on this website. They'll ask you to enter in basic info about yourself, like your email address, password, username, and so on. I won't go over that process because it will unnecessarily prolong this video. Either way, when you get accepted into their team, you'll be able to make a lot of money online. Designers get paid big time, and you will not only get paid big time, but also for not doing nearly as much work as everyone else. All thanks to Crello.com.